Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rabani bin Muhammad. My name is Muhammad Lutfi bin Abdi.
My name is Rajana Sada binti Kanisi.
We
Today, I want to explain about the differentiate. Differentiate is a rate of change of a quantity with respect to another variable.
Okay, for the question 2, the question is fx. Okay, for the question 2, the question is fx equals to x ln sin 3x. Firstly, we should use product rule because there is two separate functions of x that are multiplied together. So the formula is dy over dx equals u v prime plus v u prime. So for the u is 2x and for the u prime is 2 because of we differentiate to x. For the v, ln sin 3x. And then for the v prime, actually 1 over x, but we have to multiply with sin 3x. So 1 over sin 3x, and we multiply by cos 3x multiply 3. Because of sin, when we differentiate, it will be cos. And 3, it is from 3x. We differentiate it. Okay, next. This will be cos 3x multiply 3 over sin 3x. Then, when we multiply 3 by cos x, it will be 3 cos 3x over sin 3x. Then, cos 3x per sin 3x. Okay, when cos over sin, it will be cot. So we write 3 multiply cot 3x, and then we apply to the formula u v prime plus v u prime, and then it will be 2x multiply 3 cot 3x plus ln sin 3x multiply by 2. So the answer is 6x cot plus 3x plus 2 ln sin 3x. Now I will answer the question B, and the question is fx equals e power of 5x ln 3x. So for this question, we should use product rule. Okay, for the formula is dy over dx equals u v prime plus v u prime. Then we apply the formula. For the u is e power of 5x, and then for the u prime is 5e 5x. This is because the 5x will multiply by e because we differentiate it. Okay. For the v is ln 3x, and for the v prime is 1 over 3x multiplied by 3. For the v prime, we use product rule, and then we will get 1 over x. Okay, next we apply to the formula e 5x multiplied by 1 over x plus ln 3x multiplied by 5e power of 5x. So for the e power of 5x, I will separate it. So the answer will be e over 5x multiplied by 1 over x plus 5 ln 3x. So this is the final answer.
Now I want to explain the meaning of differentiation. Meaning of differentiation is slope, like now meaning dy over dx equals slope or gradient. And the technique of differentiation is we have a chain rule. Okay, dy over dx equals dy over du time du over dx. Okay, like this. We have two techniques, v prime plus vu prime. It's number 1, and number 2 also u dv over dx. Okay, plus v du over dx. Have a question. Okay, y equals v u prime minus u v prime divide v square. Okay. This is question rule. That's it. And then we need to move another question. I got question 3. There's a given x power of 3 y plus cos 2xy plus x cos y equals 5, and find dy dx using implicit differentiation. Now we need to use a rule. This is use a product rule. That's it. U v prime plus vu prime. Let's say this is 1, 2, and this 3. Okay, we need to differentiate 1, 2, and 3 by solve this first. Differentiate this first by using x power of 3 y. Okay, u equals to x power of 3, and u prime equals 3x power of 2. Okay, and then y is v is y, and v prime also dy dx. And then because by using implicit differentiation is negative sign. This negative sign to xy. Okay, number 2, negative sign to xy. Okay. because we don't need to write this negative sign because this is over here, this sign, and then we need to write 2xy also, right? U equals 2x and u prime equals 2, and then y also, v equals y, v prime equals dy dx. Okay. And then this is using what's theorem difference. Okay, like this. Number 3. Okay, x cos y. As we all know, cos is negative sign x. After we need to okay, cos we negative sign x. Okay, I think this we need using theorem differentiation. Cos is negative sign. Negative we put in front of x, which is negative x sine y. Okay, we know is y is dy dx. And then number 5, use this product rule. Okay, first we take 3 x power of 3, v prime is dy dx plus v y, u prime is 3x power of 2, okay, with 2x v prime dy dx plus v y u prime 2. Okay, negative x sine y dy dx equals 0. This 0, okay, this 0, and 3 dy dx. Okay, dy dx plus we take this 3 in front of y. Okay, 3x power of 2 y. Because it's a plus, 2x dy dx, 2x dy dx, okay, plus 2y. Expand this. Okay, we just write this question. X power of 3 dx plus 3x power of 2y. Okay, minus, because this minus 2y. This we need to move over there. And then we move this over there. We need to become the divider. Okay, dy dx equals to 2y sine 2xy minus 3x power of 2y minus cos y, and we need to divide by this. Okay, x power of 3 minus 2x sine 2xy minus x sine y. This is the final answer for this by using implicit differentiation.
So for the question 4, the question said that use linear approximation to estimate the value of root of 15.99 plus 1 over square root 15.99 correct to 4 decimal places. So first thing we need to do is write down the formula of the linear approximation, which is fs equal to f s naught plus f prime s naught delta s. So the formula for delta s is delta s equal to s minus s naught. The s value is same to given value, and the s naught value is equal to initial value. So the first thing we need to do is change the value of 15.99 into x. So the calculation will be easier, and we may not calculate the wrong value. So fs equal to root of 4x plus 1 over square root x. And then we need to change the root of 4 and the square root into the 1 over 4. So the calculation will be easier. And then after we change the square root into the power of 1 over 4 and 1 over 2, we need to simplify. And then it will become s power of 1 over 4 plus s minus, this minus because the power of 1 over 2, we put it on the top. And it become s power of minus 1 over 2. After we get this value, what we need to do is to differentiate it. So when we differentiate x power of 1 over 4, the power will multiple with the number at the front, which is 1. So 1 over 4 multiple with 1, so it become 1 over 4x. And the power 1 over 4 minus with 1, it become minus 3 over 4. So for this one, power of minus 1 over 2, we bring to the front, it become minus 1 over 2x. And the power negative 1 over 2 minus with 1, and we get negative 3 over 2. So the final answer we can get is 1 over 4x, 3 power of 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2x power 3 over 2. And the given value of x is 15.99, and the initial value or x naught is 16. So we can get the delta x value, which is 15.99 minus 16 equal to negative 0.01. So after we get all the value from the previous calculation, we can start use the formula of linear approximation. By using the formula, we just need to put the information that we get from the previous calculation. So the formula is fx equal to f x naught plus f prime x naught delta x. So we just need to write down the function here, but replace the value with the 16. So we can get the root of 4 of 16 plus 1 over square root 16 plus, and the differentiate function, which is f prime x naught, like here. So just write down again 1 over 4, the x value, we replace it with x naught value, which is 16 power of 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 multiplied with 16 power of 3 over 2. And the data value is minus 0.01. So after we put the value and calculate the value, we can get 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 32 minus 1 over 128 multiplied with minus 0.01. And then we can get the shape of answer, and the final answer is 4 decimal places, which is 2.2498.